What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Okay, listen, you guys, it's really hot out. It's October and it's 90 degrees. Come inside. Okay, everybody, hi. It has been a minute since we've been in this house. Imagine walking in and there's no dogs, there's no noise. I mean, listen to this echo. What's up, everybody? Oh, I hate it. I really don't like it. But hi, guys. Today, it's been highly requested. I did finish my old dream closet. It's not my dream anymore. It's still sickening, but the closet that I built and transformed for this house, it's done. The house has not sold yet. Almost, but not yet. So I thought, let me show off the closet before I actually move and really leave this place. So today we're gonna do a little life update and we're gonna show off this insane motherfucking closet. Okay, now I know I did a house tour a long time ago, it feels like, but there used to be a door right here. Now it's this beautiful, crazy gold wallpaper, but there used to be a nursery here. And I covered up the wall and I extended the closet because the closet was hideous before I moved in here. So I built a really cool one. We demolished that nursery. And oh my god, look at this room! Room's almost done. I still need 2 lights here, but this was fabricated, made for me, and it's so unreal. It's so cool. And this is the bedroom. It's a lot more like kind of gothic, and just everything is just black and gold. Okay, we have a few things to talk about before I show off this insane closet. Let me take a deep breath. Okay, you guys, so a lot of you, when I first put up my house for sale, I went big and I put up a really crazy number. And a lot of you thought that it was selling because, yes, we were under contract. I got an offer, I accepted, we were in escrow, and then the funds never hit. So I don't know if they couldn't afford the house or what was happening, but they were just playing a bunch of games and they never put up the deposit. So house is still for sale. I've dropped the price $4 million, and we've had a lot of viewings and a lot of interest. So it's still here though, you guys. And when of course I work and fly to LA, I still stay here. But I feel like it's gonna sell soon. Like I just feel it in my gut. It's like really time to move on. So fingers crossed. But Wyoming has been magical. Of course, I'm here every week filming videos now, working on the brand. My offices are still here, and it's been a whirlwind. And I love traveling, so it's been nice to get on the airplanes again. But I miss international traveling, I miss meet and greets, I miss makeup classes. There's so much that I wish was happening again. So hopefully end of the year or early 2022, you guys, Jeffrey Lynn is back on the road. Besides that, you guys, Wyoming, there's a lot of, I think I've said this 100 times, like there's footage coming. I've been vlogging, I've been filming stuff out there, and I've been taking my time putting it together. I'm sorry that my channel has been a little stagnant lately. After 6 years, I'm like, what is the next chapter of Jeffree Star? So those pieces are falling together. So thank you guys for being patient. It's been a crazy 2021, but can I show you guys the Black Vault? Come on, let's go. Okay, I was watching this old footage of the house when I first did the tour. Let's roll some right now. Oh my god, that redwood makes me want to throw up. But there really wasn't a big closet. If you're looking right now, it's like, I don't know what was going on, but I hated it. So, hi guys, behind this is the new entrance, so come see. It used to be open and weird, and just like the pink vault, I put shoes on the outside. I have so many shoes. We've talked about excess before, we'll dive into that later, but so many shoes, I think they had to be in the front. So, I mean, this magical bathroom with the crazy ceiling, I love that it's still here. You can still get ready and have your full moment in skincare. But, hi, the closet, a real closet is finally in this mega mansion. Because when I bought this and I saw the price, I'm like, I expected a closet! And there was nothing. So, without further ado, hi, obviously these are the shoes. I have a lot more shoes in this house, but we're getting rid of things. We're cleansing before I move. But the pink closet tour, it will go down in YouTube history as the biggest closet tour ever, which is so crazy to me. And listen, I kind of copied some of the same things in that closet. So this is the bank vault door. It's bulletproof. It has fingerprint access, and you really can shoot through this and you're not getting in. So let me do the code. The new owners are gonna have to change it, but I didn't want to put my fingerprint here because we're selling the home. So without further ado, here is the Black Vault closet. guys, let's close the door. Oh my God, this thing is like 10,000 pounds. And as you see, we are officially locked in here. So this closet is 3 times as big as the pink vault. My other house, it was really cool, but the spaces were really limited. So with the extra room in the nursery, I'm like, let's combine it. So we bulldozed some walls. We did a lot of rewiring. Of course, we have lighting settings. We can do a full moment in here, you guys. Hi, evening. Ooh, it's moody, bitch. But that has the same crazy LEDs. You can change all the colors in here. I don't know how crazy this is gonna look on camera, but it's really cool. Okay, let me turn on the lights. I mean, you guys know I had to be obnoxious. A full glass wall of purses. The new owners are going to absolutely love this. I decided to put all my favorite Louis bags on this wall, and this is obnoxious. No one needs this many purses. And I think before I move officially to Wyoming, I've already moved a lot of stuff, but I need to get rid of some bags. Like, it's so crazy. I'm busy riding yak, sucking dick. Like, I don't have time for 1,000 purses anymore. This closet's still pretty fucking cool, you guys, so let's take a little tour. Okay, now of course, what would a closet be without a purse wall? And another purse wall! Oh my God. So I moved a lot of Birkins to Wyoming. I've gotten rid of some that were just really good investments, which we've talked about a lot before. Hermes, they're for some reason really good investments. So I early on bought way too many Birkins, but the cool thing is their value tripled, quadrupled. So when I was moving and getting rid of some, I made a lot of money. So the investment was actually definitely worth it. Still some of my favorites. You guys know these Himalayan Birkins are fucking crazy. If you don't know about these, Google it. There's so many articles about Hermes bags. And it just really fascinated me when I started to become successful and think like, what did I want to do and invest my money? Purses may seem obnoxious and weird, but it was a really good choice. All right, so there's a lot more room for clothes. The pink vault was very limited on stuff, so I threw in a lot of stuff here. Custom Louis bags with the Jeffree Star pink, really cool jackets. I mean, hello. You guys know I'm such a fashion whore. Mama loves clothes, so I have always been so Louis obsessed, and yes, I wear other things besides that. Now that I'm a Wyoming girl, I wear Wrangler and things like that as well. But it's nice to not always just be in designer and like hold myself to that. I know that sounds so weird, but it's like, Jeffree, come the fuck down to earth. So it's cool to be in like $40 jeans now and cowboy boots and just like laying in the fields with animals. Like, I know it sounds so crazy from what you guys are used to with Jeffree Lynn, but I'm so at peace. Doesn't mean I don't love a little Louis and Gucci, but Mama has gotten over her excessiveness, and it's just a lot of mental health and a lot of therapy to get here. And yeah, it's all about trauma, and we're getting over those traumas. But yes, you guys see, there's a lot of clothes. It may look excessive in here, but I have sold over 80% of all my clothes, which is so cool. A lot of donations and a lot of just cleansing the palette. Clothes, pajamas, clothes. I wanted the new owner to be able to have a lot of options, so a man and a woman could share this craziness, or a man on man, woman on woman, anything you prefer. Okay, besides this gigantic mirror right here, I decided to put little trinkets and little bags here. Can you imagine? Yes, you guys, this is a purse. This fits your credit card and inhaler, and that's really about it. But this wall is really cute. Now here is cool because, be right back. Hi Panic Room, how are ya? All right, now that's just a little trap door that we invented for safety in case anyone ever breaks in the house. No one can get in the vault, but just in case they have like, you know, one of those conveyor wrecking balls or dynamite, this is the extra protection. So hi Panic Room, how are ya? So what do we think of the black vault? I think it is really magical, and it was also a really good investment. This home needed something to really give it a boost and like really make the master bedroom a master bedroom. So I'm winded, girl. All right, you guys, I never knew that I would be doing a closet tour. I thought I would have been moved by now, but I'm glad you guys got to see it. I think it's really cool. It's obnoxious, it's fabulous, and it's very me. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys. Oh, hi guys, the lighting is horrible, but look, this is really crazy. So right now, you guys know I'm doing a really major cleanse, spiritually, mentally. Bitch has been in therapy. Ooh, it rhymed. And I am getting rid of so many things. So there are hundreds and hundreds of designer glasses just sitting in my closet. Like, who the fuck needed that many? No one ever reeled me in. So now we're sifting through all of them and we're letting them go. It's crazy. So we have the real here. Hi. Is this a lot?
It's a lot, and we're gonna take care of you.
It's wild. But we're here and the real is gonna go through all my sunglasses from the full Jeffree Star closet. There's a lot here. We had suitcases full, you guys. Like, look at this. Oh my God. It's obnoxious. So we're gonna sift through and pray for us. Oh my God, okay. Relax. I can't believe how much stuff I have. I don't know why the word embarrassing. I know, go get him. The front door just opened. I almost feel embarrassed, like no one ever put me in check. Like, hey Jeffree, maybe this is really fucking obsessively crazy. Like, maybe it's a lot. And it's no one's fault, it's my own. I'm taking full accountability always for shit like this and for everything in my life. No excuses, but this is a lot of shit. It's like overwhelming. Like, I almost feel like it was another lifetime ago. Like, what? I would never do this now. But it's a good reminder of what I'm letting go of, what we're working on, and Jesus Christ. Like, it's crazy. So they're packing up everything now. Jesus. I've also donated a lot of clothes today to Goodwill, selling a lot of designer stuff that I never wore or wore once. It's crazy looking back, like I would never wear an outfit twice on my channel for 5 years. And I know, like, well, that's you, that's just who Jeffree is. But it's like, is it? Is it? And maybe it was, like, that was really what I was trying to portray, but it's like, it's just so not me anymore and I don't care. So it's time to move on. Hi, Beach. Hi. Hi, boys. Hi, girls. Drama. Look at all the babies. They're ready for Wyoming. Danny, ready?
I think so. Backpack tight.
Diva, you ready to move? Diva's been a world traveler and he is cleared to fly now that he has his vision bag. Big man. Diva. They know what's happening. Oh shit, man. Oh shit. You guys, Diva has been through so much. And his cataracts, they're removed. He's been on extreme eye drops for what, you guys, 2 months? And it's been really intense and the doctor said he's clear to fly, so Diva's moving! It's crazy. 12 years ago, Diva was on the Vans Warped Tour in a fucking tour bus. And now he's moving to Wyoming. All the babies are wildin'. The dogs are officially leaving LA. It's really bittersweet for all of us. Oh, Diva. We are really leaving Hidden Hills. I've been ready, but just seeing the dogs. Look at Drama, look at Lishy. Au revoir. Alright, it's official. The dogs are out of California. Bittersweet, but so fucking cool. Alright, where's Diva! It feels so good to be here. Traveling with 7 dogs can be stressful, but we made it! Come on.